Hi guys, welcome to EWI Store. Today we're just going to talk very briefly through our top coat primers. So basically, once we've applied our base coat and mesh, we then apply a primer before we put our top coat render on. Now there's three reasons for using a primer. The first is if we use a particularly vibrant top coat render, so a really vibrant colour, what we don't want to do is be able to see the base coat through that, so we would tint the primer to match the top coat colour, and so you've got no issues there. So that's the first thing. The second thing, especially during the summer, the base coat will become very absorbent very quickly, so when you apply the render, the water gets sucked out of the render by the base coat, and you don't have very much time to get the finish. So by applying a primer, it gives you a little bit more time to work the finish. And the final thing, and kind of one of the main reasons people use primers, is to aid adhesion between your base coat and your top coat to ensure that once you put it on, it's not going anywhere. So as you can see here, we're using our premium base coat, so that's the EWI-333, and then we're applying a white primer because we're going to apply a white or very sort of close to white top coat render.